Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view your search history on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to view your search history on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to view your search history. And at the top right corner of the screen on this page, there is the small three-lined icons just below the messenger icon. Tap on that. And over here again at the top right corner of your screen, there is the settings or the gear icon. Just beside the magnifying glass icon, tap on the settings icon, and over here again scroll down until you can find the activity log under the category your activity. Tap on activity log, and over here guys you can see all of your activity across the Facebook history. So in order to get to the search history of your Facebook, you can see there are public posts, public tags, and story activities which you can swipe. Just swipe them to the left a little bit until you can find or the search history pops out. Tap on it, and all of the things you have searched on Facebook will be available over here. You can also choose to delete them if you like by tapping on the three dotted icons at the right side of the search tab, and the delete icon will appear at the bottom of the list. Tap on delete and again delete, and that search will be deleted from your search history. And there guys, you can also clear searches directly by tapping on the clear search over here. You can see. With that being said guys, this is how you view your search history on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.